Imagine having to do a task for a job over and over again, and it doesn't really require lots of effort every time that you do it. Over a period, you might find doing these tasks to be time consuming and repetitive, and you start to think that you have some better ways to use your time other than doing a task that is not challenging your brain and your effort. In a business standpoint, employees are stuck in very time consuming tasks, where they have to spend a significant amount of time doing these repetitive tasks that are not, in the end, that valuable for them. It somewhat doesn't use the employee's brain power for what it's meant to be. This leads to unsatisfied employees where they tend to be more impatient and frustrated about the job because they are doing things that they don't find enjoyable or challenging. It is proved that repetitive tasks kill creativity and results to reduce productivity. This is where robotic process automation or RPA jumps in. RPA is the use of software with artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to automate high volume repetitive tasks that previously requires humans to perform. Some of these tasks includes interpreting applications, processing transactions, dealing with data, and even replying to emails. It is the process of automating business operations using robots or bots in order to reduce human intervention. However, there are some misconceptions about RPA. Unlike an actual AI, RPA does not have a physical form nor resemblance to humans. RPA cannot replace humans or replicate human cognitive functions. It does not have a brain of its own. It cannot perform logical or critical thinking just like humans and AIs do. There are usually four crucial phases that an RPA program needs to go through. First is the planning phase. It typically involves gathering all the processes that needs to be automated, identifying the test objects, and finalizing the implementation approach. Second, the development phase, which includes the creation of the automation workflows. And the third, deployment and testing, which is a vital phase because it uncovers any unexpected outages and really ensures a bug-free product. And lastly, the support and maintenance phase, which ensures that the product is continuously updated with smooth deployment across all user base. There are tools that are used to meet the objectives of RPA. These tools are software applications that can configure tasks and automate them. Popular examples of these tools are UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, WorkFusion, and many more among others. RPA ensures consistent, error-free output, leading to reduced operational risks, which in turn results to customer satisfaction. RPA improves productivity by reducing manual tedious work. In the area of delivery, RPA can help decrease the average handling time, and this enhances the customer experience and ensures 24/7 business continuity. In accordance to cost, domestic businesses can reduce their costs by up to 65% through the use of RPA. Other advantages of RPA includes reduced training costs, minimal utilization of IT resources, and offers scalability which is crucial when your company is constantly growing. Today, many domains and industries like banking and finance, IT integration processes, human resources, insurance agencies, marketing and sales, and customer relationship management readily deploy RPA. With all this in mind, RPA service adoption has already been showing growth since 2016 and will continue to increase beyond 2020. According to McKinsey's research, knowledge and work automation will have an economic impact of 5 to 7 trillion US dollars by the year 2025. It will affect more than 230 million knowledge workers, which constitutes to 9% of the global workforce. Any company that is labor intensive where people are performing high volume and high transaction functions will benefit the most with the adoption of RPA, boosting their capabilities and will save more money and time. With the trending popularity of adopting the use of RPA in businesses, it will help companies to be more productive and consistent with doing tasks that are repetitive and time consuming. Not only it will be useful for these companies, it will also be helpful for their employees. When there are no or less repetitive tasks, the employees can work more on providing the best customer service or other tasks that really requires manual work and a human to be successful. This in turn will lead to a more productive and competitive environment.